Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix MetaQuest 3 boundary not working, Guardian setup and sensor calibration guide. Boundary failures are caused by corrupted cache, improper lighting or dirty cameras, which can be resolved by cleaning boundary history, wiping lens sensors, and optimizing environmental lighting. Additional fixes to eliminate glitches include updating firmware and adjusting sensitivity settings. Consult official product support for further troubleshooting. Fix 1. Clear the boundary history. Press the Meta button on your right controller to pull up the universal menu. Now select the clock on the left side and then tap the settings clear icon. Now choose physical space or boundary depending on your firmware version. Click clear next to the clear boundary history and confirm the action. Now completely turn off the headset, wait for 1 minute and then power it back on. Fix 2. Optimize lighting and environment. Fix lighting. Avoid playing in pitch black rooms or under harsh, direct sunlight. Standard, even indoor lighting works best. Reduce reflections. Highly reflective floors, massive mirrors, or glass TV stands confuse the depth sensor. Cover reflective floors with a non-slip rug or carpet to give the tracking sensors distinct texture to lock onto. Remove moving obstacles. Significant changes in the room setup, like moving chairs or people walking around, can make the headset drop its boundary. Fix 3. Clean and recalibrate sensors. Wipe the tracking cameras. Use a dry microfiber cloth to gently clean the three front-facing tracking cameras and the depth sensor slot on the front of the Quest 3. Inspect the controllers. Ensure no dirt or third-party silicone covers are blocking the infrared LED lights embedded into the controller rings. Redraw slowly. When creating a new room, scale boundary, stand directly in the center of your space. Look entirely around the room to let the depth center map the walls. Keep your controller at a steady height while drawing the floor outline. Fix 4. Adjust boundary sensitivity. Navigate back to settings, select physical space, and look for boundary sensitivity. Now switch from simple to advanced sensitivity. Now lower the headset distance sensitivity slider. This prevents the digital walls from flashing on your screen until you are physically closer to the true edge. If these calibration methods did not resolve the issue, check settings, then go to software update to verify your headset is running the latest stable firmware, as recurring tracking bugs are frequently patched via system updates. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.